Ever found yourself scrolling through social media when you know you have that important project or task waiting for you? Yep, I've been there too. Today, let's dive into the science of procrastination. Why do we do it, even when we know it'll make us feel worse later? Studies show that procrastination is linked to our brain's reward system and impulse control. When you choose to scroll through social media, your brain gets a quick dose of dopamine, a feel-good chemical. But when it comes to challenging tasks, well, not so much. So, our brain often opts for the instant gratification instead of the long-term benefits, even if this choice leads to regret later. Ask yourself, what are the specific moments or feelings that lead to you procrastinating? Maybe it's a messy workspace or the nagging fear of failure. Is it feeling bored or overwhelmed? Is it social media notifications? Write down these triggers to avoid them in your future tasks. Awareness is the first step in the journey to conquer procrastination. Now let's chat about how it affects our lives. This is where it gets tricky. Procrastination creates a negative emotional cycle. Initially, it feels relaxing, but before you know it, that looming deadline sends stress levels soaring. You start to feel guilt, anxiety, and frustration. It's like a hamster wheel of emotion. So let's break that cycle, starting now. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you take control. Set clear goals. Break tasks down into manageable pieces. Create a schedule. Allocate specific times for each task. Use any preferable application that works best for you. I use Notion and Trello all the time. Use time-blocking method and Eisenhower matrix to decide your priorities. And by the way, I have videos for each one. Click on the link that will appear above here. Eliminate distractions. Find a peaceful place to work, turn off notifications, and use the Pomodoro Technique. Finally, reward yourself. Treat yourself after completing tasks. You deserve it. Let's put this into action, and I promise you'll feel amazing. Remember, overcoming procrastination isn't an instant fix. It's a journey. Be kind to yourself and celebrate small victories. You're not alone. I'm here for you every step of the way. Let's conquer procrastination together and create the life we truly desire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your success stories in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, bye for now.